Welcome to our presentation on Project Play, an initiative promoting literacy among youth in Santa Mesa, Manila. This project aims to empower unprivileged children through engaging and fun learning experiences.
Spearheaded by a dedicated team including Rashid, Ben, Ken, Clark, Joaquin, Roniel, and I, Kurt. And together, we ensure to bring to its success.
The program will be conducted in the span of 6 weeks with 3 hours each week, ensuring consistent and impactful engagements with the participants.
Our objective includes improving reading and writing skills for at least 80% of the participants, fostering encouragement, and enhancing their capabilities in expressing ideas within 6 weeks.
This project aims to tackle literacy challenges which are crucial in breaking the cycle of poverty and empowering these youths, as well that Manila is a home for youths that lacks access in basic education.
Project Play utilizes interactive methods like storytelling, games, and other fun learning materials. We aim to create a safe and inclusive environment for children to learn and grow.
This initiative benefits among youth by enhancing their skills and builds stronger connections with families, foster safer communities, and support educational institutions in addressing societal issues.
Our budget covers all essential materials and resources, who's generally supported by Ms. Jeremiah Maldo of Sorella Aki Travel Agency, whose contributions made this program possible.
In the first phase, we'll engage with the community, build trust, and prepare materials. Phase 2 focuses on encouraging participation through fun and collaborative activities. Phase 3 and 4 involve conducting workshops, monitoring progress, and celebrating participants' achievements through a graduation ceremony.
Thank you for watching this project proposal. Together, we can make a difference in the lives of these children. 1, 2, 3, tara!